It's like a roller coaster, huh?
You like roller coasters? Which,
Yeah.
so when you went to Disneyland, what was the biggest roller coaster you rode on there?
I just want to pass for Christmas.
I've never been on that one. Is
Wait,
that good?
not one, not that one, just regular Casper.
But was it fast?
No, it was slow.
Oh, really?
It was like this. Look at.
What? Really? I would have been like this. Were you sleeping on the ride?
No,
What were you doing?
I was like on speedy like this because I was scared. Because the real mean uncles were in there.
Really?
Yes. Casper was like, where's Zeniahs?
No, he wasn't.
Yes, he was.
What? Was it? It wasn't the scary. Did you go on the scary ride with the ghosts and stuff?
Yeah.
You did? Were you scared? Cause I was scared.
You went on that before?
Yeah, I was scared.
And guess what?
What?
Did you like the pirate ride? Because they have mermaids.
I never been on that one. So what did the
I
mermaids
went
do?
on that one, but I missed the mermaids.
You did?
Kendra here.
I think she's at Uncle Meanie's house. She went last night. We should call her, huh?
Hi, Zeniah.
Hi.
What's happening?
Nothing. I just wanted to go swimming at the beach.
What?
But I have no bathing suit.
Oh, that sucks.
Is Casey's bathing suit here?
Who?
Casey's bathing suit here?
No. You wouldn't fit Casey's bathing suit either.
Is it bigger than you or smaller than you?
Casey's 4 years old now.
Oh.
Smaller than me. Josh still here?
Yeah.
No, Casey turned 4 years old now, but I'm still bigger than her because I'm almost 5 years old. It's almost my birthday. Remember at your house I told you my birthday is in July 27th?
Oh my gosh, your birthday's next month. Can you believe it?
Tomorrow is my birthday?
No, next month. You have, let me see. Let me how many days. What's today's date? Today is the 27th. You have exactly 30 days.
27,
This
Aiden is coming.
June, but it's June 27, and you're July 27. So that's one more month. Oh my gosh! What are we gonna do? You're gonna be 5.
And I'm going to be bigger than Casey.
Oh man.
Because she graduated, now she's 4.
She's
She
4.
was 3.
Oh.
But now but I'm still bigger than her because I'm still 4.
Yeah.
But that means I'm still bigger than her. When we always do this,
What?
I'm
The
bigger
men?
than her.
Really? Do you have the silver thing?
But she likes to do this because she wants to be taller than me.
What? Do you guys get angry at each other sometimes?
Yeah.
Why?
Because Casey doesn't check. She does this to me when I just got on the chair and I was sitting on it.
She pushes you off?
Yeah.
What? But you guys shouldn't be like that because you guys are cousins. Cousins don't do
How
that.
did you know?
Because I know these things. Duh.
What are you looking at?
If you can't hang with the big dog, stay out of the garage. Wow.
What does that say?
Where?
That you said,
Oh, right there. That sign over there on the wall. Look at the wall over there.
right there?
Up there. Mad Dogs Pound Club, right there.
I can't see up there.
Yeah.